A wave of panic and intense sensation has gripped the Kathalia Bhadrabari area under the jurisdiction of Jatrapur Police Station after a resident was brutally assaulted inside his own home, resulting in his demise. The victim, identified as Uttam Namah, was found after a horrific physical assault. To mislead neighbors and delay the discovery of the crime, the assailants locked the house from the outside after executing the attack. According to preliminary local sources, the attack was carried out with extreme brutality. A group of unidentified miscreants entered Uttam Namah's residence and launched an indiscriminate attack, striking him repeatedly with sharp, heavy weapons until he lost his life on the spot. To ensure they had ample time to flee the region, the perpetrators dragged his body inside, closed the main door, locked it from the outside with a padlock, and escaped. The gruesome incident came to light today morning when local residents noticed the lock but heard no movement inside. Sensing foul play, they alerted the local authorities. The Jatrapur Police Station received formal information regarding the incident. A police team rushed to the crime scene, broke open the lock, and recovered the victim for a post-mortem examination. Bureau report Chini Khorang.